Ahoy, mateys, it's Sizzling Latte, and welcome to, okay, so this is my Smiley360 unboxing, okay? I got a whole bunch of stuff from them today. Forgot I took my address out of there. There's a little slip of paper with my address. It's not in there anymore, so whew, that is a relief. Okay, so first thing that I see is a cute little card that says, "Hey Stacy, thank you for your awesome sharing on Instagram for tidying up for a fresh, clean mission. Congratulations again. Feel free to snap a photo of your prize and share it on Instagram. The Smiley360 team." That's so cool. That is so cool. That's going, I have a special box for like all the different things that have been sent. That's going in there. You know, just like a little memory box. Anyways. Oh, they have this too. It's a sticker. I love stickers. It says Smiley360 on it. That one's going over there too. Okay, and I love that they have like blue and orange what is it? Tissue paper. They have a tissue paper. Oh my gosh. I love water bottles. Oh yes. It's a reusable water bottle and it says Smiley360 on it. I'm gonna use this for my workouts. Oh, that is so cool. It even has a little handle on it. I love it. Love it. Oh my gosh. You know I love to work out. Oh my gosh. Okay, not one Smiley360 tote bag, but two Smiley360 tote bags. You know I love my reusable bags. You know I love them. And these, oh, the amount of groceries these are gonna hold. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. So cute. I love it. It's like Christmas. I love it. I'm just opening up packages and stuff. Like a Chad and Miss method. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love things with like brand names on them. You know, like this, like, so cute. Gonna go work out. Okay. So, thank you to Smiley360 for sending me this stuff, and I feel so lucky. You know, I feel lucky. I needed this today, and it was just, oh man, I love it. I love it. Okay, so for now I have to go, but until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.